Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at conditional formatting, and not about applying the conditional formatting, but how we manage the rules within the conditional formatting. So managing the rules, clearing them, we'll look at all that in this video. Here is our conditional formatting exercise workbook that you can use to follow along this video. So in this video, we want to talk about managing the rules. So let's see, in this particular worksheet, employees, we can pretty much visually tell there are certain conditional formatting that have been applied to the data. Let's see all the rules that are currently applied to the sheet. Go to conditional formatting, go to manage rules, and here you have current selection. So it is showing that for the current selection, this is a rule that has been applied, but we want to look at the whole sheet. So this worksheet, we can tell that we have 3 rules applied: icon set, graded, a color scale, and a data bar. You can change the data set range here. You can use that button. You can pick the whole whatever range you like, and you can take that schema and apply it to a different set of columns. And you can delete them. Say for example, I want to go ahead and delete the icon set. Oh, sorry, that's edit, delete, it's gone. To edit, just pick the one, do edit rule, and make any kind of changes that you like the way you want it and apply it. And you want to create a new rule, do new, and you get to choose the way you want to apply the formatting and also the rule type. Here you have a few rules. You can also use formula. You can use top or bottom ranges to, based on the selection. As you can see, the editing rule description in this section, you will see the formatting and the values that you can supply to meet the condition. And then those once the records or the cells meet the criteria, it will apply this particular format, and you will have to manually pick the format that you want to apply. So that's how you create new rules. I mean, when you go to here and try to apply certain rule or certain condition, a rule gets created automatically behind the scenes. That is how that's the reason why you see these rules here. Or if you want to manually create, this is where you do it. So that's how you edit, delete, and create rules manually if you want to. There is another option of clearing the rules, meaning let's say you don't want any such rules here. Let's say you want to remove all sorts of rules from, let's say, these columns. Select those columns, go to conditional formatting and say clear rules. You say clear rules from selected cells. Click that, the whole conditional formatting is gone. And if you go to manage rules and this worksheet, all the conditions are gone. So that's how you clear your conditional formatting if needed, just in case if you did something yesterday and you don't like it, want to change it for whatever reason, you just clear it. And I've seen people in the industry trying to delete a column with conditional formatting that has been applied, and then insert a new column, then copy the data, and then apply a desired conditional formatting. All that is not necessary. All you do is just select the range of cells, clear the conditional formatting, or just go to rules manager and just pick the desired one and just delete it, and the formatting is gone. You can then apply whatever formatting you want to, or you can edit as well. It's all up to you. Well, that's it about the conditional formatting, and I'll see you in the next video.